The vowel I makes the short E sound and long I sound. Now look at the short E sound. In these examples, the vowel I makes the short vowel E sound. E, E, ing. E, E, pin. E, E, ribbon. E, E, stick. E, E, scissors. E, E, chin. E, E, twin. E, E, spin. E, E, thin. E, E, till. E, E, chip. E, E, kid. E, E, bib. E, E, him. E, E, sick. Now look at the long I sound. In these examples, the vowel I makes the long vowel I sound. I, highlighter. I, pie. I, tie. I, cry. I, fly. I, iron. I, pie. I, dry. I, fry. I, tie. I, die. I, high. I, my. I hope you like this content. Remember, learning can be fun and easy. See you in next video with short and long sounds of the vowel O.